Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Trello board. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we are in Trello and I have created my first team. So here, what brings you to Trello? So once you log in, this is the page that you will be signed in with. So you want to do manage team projects, you can do so right here, or you can choose to skip this. But let's just say we're managing team projects. So here, you want to skip this part for now and we'll name it test. So then we'll go next and then you will name your list. So what you're gonna do, so to do, for example, just like this, doing like what it says here and done. So those are the examples that we're gonna use. So you want to name your cards, of course. So just one and two for convenience. So you want to invite people. So let's invite people that we know, which is me. So there you go. Let's just invite them right here. And then we'll have their email ready to go. So once you've done that, there you go. And then let's just wait for this to load up until it does. You can skip this part if you don't want to add team members and you just want to organize it for now. So let's just skip it for now since it's taking too long and it's not loading anymore. So let's just restart this. So let's just skip it again and there we go. So here we have our boards. We want to create your first board like we have done a while ago. Those are just the templates that you can use. So you can also use templates that are already pre-made here in Trello. So here you have your team resources, working hours, your team, your vacation, weekly vacation. So just the info here, and you can even add more. So if you want to add more, you can do so right here. You can check the views. If you want your calendar here too, you can do so. And you want to organize your board, you can do here also. So current projects, you can add more here. So you can share this and do more. So basically that is how you use your Trello so that you'll be able to make your team more efficient. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.